Cletus, can you find a message? Agua Buladim Pione. Your sister, your little sister, brought to me. On my family. And my fortune and chain. Eh?
Ogifeko. Urubronki Bianeti Weber. I don't understand. The only thing I'm getting the last time when I got Kuruku, near what I'm coming here, my sister cook on Nogi. And when I'm sim would already came my sister, Buria Boginishik, lawyer by force, whether she likes it or not.
Ha! Odak is the one who go to say, Odak is the one who go quiet. The Laco Gazagade. Cletus. Okay, in my figure, I want my money back. 3 million naira get back. At Chomia. Ego Nyagi when rent a chop. Go and bring it back. Tell the people that the owner of the money is here. Jango tell me go. I don't want again. Give me my money. If that is what it is.
Feko International.
I know your sister is inside and she's yelling me. She's yelling me. She should give me my money back. Ibu tell me I told him we let the shop again. Elent is an issue nyobna. Nyoko
go wait to Nobi.
Munga Tobi. In your megum Bagoko. Mbago by your sister up against them. You got them. If a Cadian one, I did a quantimata. I did a quantimata. I want 3 million naira bacolono. Nyaki Amacomecans. Amacoma Panjibunagia. Put the quality megum. In a yanku.
Feko International.
Benanya. Olugombuya Gabalum. Amacomonebo. Amaro may be when it's Alum. Only come get them bad luck. I do another chop now. You pull up back it's in a bimpo. Forget on the one.
Feko International.
Amaro I get because of my way back his year.
If one and wine I came melu, in my hand, you shut off my cable first.
Give them Anna Macachina come quack on Buru born and get like over. And let me go away some.
You are hanging the paparazzi's hand on air.
Mama, I'm not working. I'm not working.
Cambure Buruma. Maybe can we walk at Tapela guard the munition in his house. Okay, you didn't go weekend.
I left my dad the village shop.
Feko Global.
Imonia whatever. We are coming on.
How do you say Namuno for that?
Onye
Zoje na buzo amazo kasa wezo kwa nini wena ta etudio to prini.
Apa ni importer. Mma to be chere nge nyonya la.
But yo, my friend, when come to you, I am already in a relationship.
Feko International.
I know rules in the Feko International.
Kita hana chingom tape out don't go like him at your age.
What we're going na wonya mo for gara.
Kingo for zero mana gini me.
Makaba get stop pestering me around.
Can you find a plaster ebo warehouse go ebo shop.
Feko International.
Benanya. Olugombuya Gabalum. I do another chop now. You pull up back it's in a bimpo.
Get it on one leg. Why on? You for finance, Jimmy.
I will deal with you. I have about 67-story buildings. Now that you are away. You are away.
If you need a car, come and meet me.
For level leach, you know, Nanyaba. Ebu misimu nonu.
This family is family of God.
Thank you. Also, you know, no family of God.
Okay, me talking to no gafe. Chama for everybody.
He said them pam mama ko wuro love. Not them go balu. Ama mo nyawo.
Akwesi nature egbanyere ya.
Esibo film.
Nwere obere cassette nwere here. Kam tinye kwere ya ka ikiri.
You yeah.
Ichokom na go on there. www.dubem.com.
There won't be any freedom for me.
Not try you came to see that me bring Rigi up. You need bring yourself down.
Is this my bride price or groom price?
500,000.
I will do more. I'm Prince Paparazzi. I'll do it.
You go around defrauding people, you think you can come give with a Bible because Shah and Negado obituary. Nyem.
Oh, if someone name a bed, a go for a cake, you will my walk cake, you wallow iPhone. You will get you cool ice cream, you gold wrist watch.
650. You know, push wood, tanka.
The only thing you get now, Kita Minagino, Abana Automatic book, 500,000 naira.
You must be taken out. Taking out people total working warriors.
So you have turned yourself into a prostitute.
Oh! If I want to explain, I will first explain.
Some man had a bike.
ka nkụ na ana m agụtakwanụ ha ọnụ
ihe egbochi ihe a mfe ebe ebe a
ewezuga gị nwa mma m egbuola ọshụ na vileji a ma nke nwanne si na ya si Malaysia.
What do you go you go around collecting money from young men?
Oh my God, some must see me, some can see me. Got to go. Onye na we ya no.